Module Overview. Dot. In this pivotal module, we step beyond the physical mechanics of singing and begin developing musical precision and sonic personality. Pitch, intonation, and tone quality are the defining elements that differentiate noise from music and average singing from exceptional vocal artistry. This module is devoted to cultivating the ear, the voice, and the mind in order to achieve vocal accuracy, expressive depth, and tonal beauty. The beginner vocalist will learn how pitch is created, sustained, and altered, how intonation is controlled and corrected, and how tone quality is shaped by resonance, vowels, and vocal fold coordination. You will begin ear training practices, explore register transitions, and receive practical tools for developing a consistent, rich vocal tone. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to define pitch, intonation, and tone quality in vocal performance. Understand the physical and acoustic basis of pitch production. Identify causes and corrections for pitch errors. Sharp flat singing. Perform ear training exercises to improve pitch matching skills. Explore tonal variation using breath, vowels, and vocal resonance. Differentiate between vocal registers and manage transitions smoothly. Develop a personalized, aesthetically pleasing vocal tone. Understanding pitch. The foundation of musical notes. Pitch refers to the perceived frequency of a sound, or how high or low a note sounds. In singing, pitch is determined by the rate of vibration of the vocal folds. Faster vibrations create higher pitches, while slower vibrations create lower pitches. Scientific basis of pitch. Frequency is measured in hertz. Hertz. Example. A 4 equals 440 hertz. The vocal folds adjust in length, tension, and mass to change pitch. Higher pitches require elongation and tension of the vocal folds. Lower pitches require shortening and thickening. Singers must develop conscious control of pitch, which includes producing it accurately, pitch production, sustaining it, pitch maintenance, matching external references, pitch matching. Intonation. Singing in tune. Intonation refers to the accuracy of pitch in relation to musical intervals and key centers. Even if a note is recognizable, being slightly sharp, too high, or slightly flat, too low, can damage the perception of the melody. Common intonation issues. Poor breath support leading to pitch instability. Inadequate ear training. Tension in the larynx. Overcompensation in transitions between vocal registers. Lack of understanding of key centers and intervals. How to improve intonation. Use a reference tone, piano, app, or instrument. Match the notes slowly, then sustain. Record and compare your pitch to a reference. Practice interval training, e.g., do, re, mi, with a keyboard. Utilize tuner apps to visualize pitch accuracy. Tone quality, timbre. Your vocal fingerprint. Tone quality, or timbre, refers to the character or color of the voice. It's what makes one voice sound different from another, even on the same note. What affects tone quality? Resonance chambers, mouth, throat, chest, nasal cavity. Vowel shapes and articulation, breath pressure and flow, laryngeal height and muscle tension, pharyngeal space, the openness of the throat. Vocal fold closure, pressed, balanced, or breathy phonation. Examples. A bright tone is created by forward placement and smiling vowels. A dark tone uses lowered larynx, rounded vowels, and deeper resonance. Summary checklist. I understand how pitch is produced and how to change it. I can define and correct sharp and flat intonation. I've practiced pitch matching and interval training. I understand what affects my vocal tone quality. I'm aware of my vocal registers and can transition between them. I've started to explore and shape my own vocal tone.